At times, you may find yourself watching something on your phone that you want to share with a group or enjoy on a larger screen. If you're using an Android device, there are several options available to wirelessly connect it to your TV, including built-in features and third-party apps. Let us walk you through the easiest methods to mirror your Android phone to your TV. Always ensure that your TV supports wireless display capabilities and is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Android device. If you have a Samsung phone, you can use the Smart View feature to mirror your screen to a compatible TV. Smart View is pre-installed on most recent Samsung devices, but if it's not available on your device, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Swipe down twice from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings menu. Look for the Smart View icon. If you don't see it on the main Quick Settings page, you may need to swipe to the next page of icons. A list of available devices will appear. Select your TV from the list. Your phone or tablet will now mirror its screen to the TV in real time, including any audio. When you are finished and want to stop sharing your phone, simply tap the Smart View icon again on your device screen to stop mirroring or disconnect from the TV. If you're using a non-Samsung Android phone, you can still mirror your screen using third-party apps like Casto. Go to the Google Play Store and download Casto or another reputable screen mirroring app. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your TV. With this app, you'll be able to display games, photos, videos, and other apps on a larger screen. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and join us.